Hello everyone, I'm Prince and this is my YouTube channel. So viewers, I've been uploading videos in Hindi, but I'm not happy with the response I'm getting. So I decided to upload this video in people's favorite English language. Okay, let's start. In the previous video, I asked you guys a question regarding increasing weakness of our immune system, and I'm talking about the youth. Okay, and why our grandparents or our ancestors had a better immunity. This was the question I put in front of you, and I asked for answers, but I got only two comments, and those two comments are also irrelevant. They didn't answer my question. So in this video, I will compare the life of our grandparents or ancestors and the life of today's modern youth. Okay, so let's start with the life of our ancestors. Okay, number one point is older generation people had less polluted environment. You have to agree with me on this point. The pollution in those times were less as compared to the pollution in today's world, which means they had better food and pure air to breathe. Better food in terms of there was less use of what we say is you know, pesticides and fertilizers. They used to use the natural fertilizers for the production of their crops, so their food was less contaminated as compared to the food that we eat in the modern times. Okay, and if I talk about the occupation, most of them were engaged in agriculture work. You see, I'm from Haryana, so I will give account of my grandparents' occupation. I don't know the occupation of the rest of the grandparents of people, so I'll talk about mine. What I know is, okay. By agriculture work, I mean to say they used to do a lot of physical work. You see, why I'm emphasizing on agriculture work is, or other kind of work they used to do. There was a lot of physical exercise in their routine. They were not like sitting idle most of the time. So basically, they were eating clean, breathing clean, and doing a lot of physical exercise. And there was a tendency of, you can say, is marrying at a early age as compared to the modern times. So they had everything that a human being may need: food, occupation, and sex. Okay, so all these sums up to a better immunity, because reason behind this is there was less stress. Stress is the basic producer of less immunity. Okay, less stress, better life. Now let's talk about the modern youth. I will take examples which are relatable to almost every middle class Indian youth. I will not take examples which you can't relate with. It's okay. So number one point is we live in a polluted environment as compared to the environment of our ancestors. Okay, this is number one point, which means contaminated food and contaminated air to breathe. Okay, so bear with me. My mic is kind of. So number two point, we are supposed to get a government job. Okay, especially you live in the middle class family in the North India, you're supposed to get a government job. If you tend to do something else, the family won't support you, and the process of getting a government job is very stressful. You have to sit and study the stuff. A few of them don't want to study that, but they study just to get the government job. Okay, so lot of study and lot of doing stuff you don't want to do create stress, and stress means your immunity will decrease. You will be prone to having diseases, and you will have the diseases that you don't want. Nobody wants them. Who wants them? Okay, number 3 point is porn and masturbation. You see, thanks to Jio and Mr. Ambani, we have very cheap internet. Okay, so instead of using this internet for our betterment, we are using it to indulge in non-natural ways of satisfying our sexual needs. What happens, the process is very simple. A guy sees porn and does masturbation and releases his energy in the form of sperms, okay, you can say. So, and doesn't matter how guy says I am a sucked londa, it doesn't matter, everyone ends up there masturbating. I don't know about the girls, okay. So porn and masturbation is making us weak and dilute, okay. Even the company has banned using the access to porn, but guys use VPN and other stuff to reach there. So which means that porn and masturbation is responsible for weak immunity, okay. And number fourth point that I have taken is the girlfriend boyfriend wala chakkar. See, when a boy approaches a girl, two things can happen. Either he will get accepted or rejected. In the both cases, he ends up in a very stressful situation. And the guy who's rejected will, listen to songs like "Tukra ke mera pyar intikam dekhegi," and number two is "Do baatein ho sakti hain." These kind of songs he listen to mostly. So, if he get accepted, in the end he will break up with that girl and cry for that girl. So this is the culture hai na, girlfriend boyfriend ka. This is also stressful. This is causing a lot of trouble in our life, okay. So stay away from this, I will recommend. And then think that's it. And lack of exercise is there, we don't exercise. So this was the comparison that I have put in for. This is my views actually, what I think is the problem. So this is my opinion. If you like the video, please do subscribe, share, and if you don't like the video, comment that I didn't like this part, okay. Express yourselves, okay. So I'm done here, so see you in the next video. Goodbye.